Hello everyone, this is Kaushik, and this video is for who want to make the Google want to make the question paper using Google Form, like whether it will be the descriptive, whether it will be the MCQ, whether it will be the subjective. No matter. You can make the question paper as you want using the Google Form. So don't waste your time. Let's move on to the Google Form. First, I will show you how to open the Google Form. So it's very simple. See, all we have the Google Chrome. So just open the Google Chrome, and here you have to write Google Form. Here you have to write in the URL Google Forms. Okay, so when you press enter, we will get to see the Google Forms online survey personal use. This tagline is there. So just click on the mm tagline, and it will redirect to the new page that is having two options. One is a business and one is a personal, right? So we just go to the business personal, sorry, we just go to the personal, and leave the business simple. Click on the go to Google Forms. Okay, now see here, I have created too many forms. You have you can see contact information, RSVP, party invite, t-shirt, sign up, whatever. And as well as I have made a recent form. I have made a recent forms, that is a GK test for teachers, right? So like this form, I want to make a new one. So here you have you will see a option, that is start a new form or blank. So just click on that blank option, and see, so it will redirect to a new page that is called questions, right? And these, just beside of the question, here is another one, that is a response, right? So question and response, right? So if you made a questions, if you already made a question, then if your questions got replied with the answer, so you can see the response over here. Okay, I will give you an example, but for now, just how to create the questions, let's see that. Okay, so untitled form. So now we are going to put the name over here. That can be anything, first you can put the Durgapur Public School, right? And you can put the description over here, right? uh, like mm, computer PA1. Okay, like that way. So just click in outside of the form, so it will save by automatically, no need to save. Okay, and if you want to make another section, right? So just in the right hand side, you will see a bar. Okay, a straight bar, and here's a lot of options are available. So just click on the add section, and see, it will have another section. Okay, see, section 2, and this is section 1 of 2. This is section 2 of 2. Okay, right. So here I want to write um, class, class, and this class is suppose I'm taking it as a class 9. Okay, if you want to put description, you can, otherwise leave it. Okay, and here is the option untitled question. Here is the option to put your question. Suppose I have a question, that is, what is IT, right? What is IT? If your question is a descriptive, like subjective, then you have to uh, click on this section. You have to click on this section. See, click. So here you can choose what type of your answer will be, right? That can be paragraph. So if you select the paragraph, see, long answer text. Okay, fine. If you select the short answer, like 1 marks answer, so short answer text. So I prefer to put the paragraph because it can be more than one line. So long answer text, right? That is the first question. Now if you want to add another question, okay, so just click on this add question. See, it will appear just underneath of the what is the IT, right? So write another question, that is mm, mm, what what is uh what is private, what is public awareness, right? What is public awareness? Okay, done. If this is also a subjective, then you can select paragraph, right? Now if you want to put a MCQ or a checkbox type question, like MCQ questions, so you can put over here, like uh, like what what are the what are the input devices, right? Okay, so multiple choice, you can select the multiple choice. Okay, and I think it's you should use the multiple choice rather than using the checkbox, because checkbox, if you put the checkbox, then see I can check the I can check the multiple boxes, so that can be the confusion, right? So you have to select the multiple choice over here. Okay, and click on the option. See, I clicked on the option, and here you are going to type your options. That can be anything, that can be your answer, mouse, and if I want to put another option, and mm, keyboard. Okay, second one is printer, right? So like that way you can add one more, two, three, four, five, six options for a question, right? So this is the way to make a multiple MCQs question answer, right? Question option. And this is the way to add the descriptive type question answer. And this is also the descriptive type. And if you want to prefer a short answer, you can. It depends on the your answer. All right. And if you want to put an image, right? Suppose you want to put an image, and you want to rectify that image from your students, right? So it should do, what it need to do, just click on the image. See, you have an option to upload the image, right? So I can go to the Google image search, and I'm going to search IT. Okay, simple IT. So let's search and see so many IT stuffs. IT. Okay, take it, insert, right? So see, it will upload a image. See, okay, the image is uploaded, right? Done. So once you're done with your questions, with your images, with your MCQs, so what you need to do, you have to click on this send button. Okay, no need to save, nothing you have to do. It is by default it is automatically save in your Google Drive, Gmail account. And one thing, if you want to rename your form name, see, click on there. Just I have clicked on the over there, right? See, Durgapur Public School. If you want to add more things, so write Durgapur Public School, PA 1 computer, right? Okay, and click outside of there. Done. Okay, see. So these are the process, right? Durgapur Public School, computer PA, and class 9. Okay, and if you want to put the date, right? So just like You can put the date over here, date. You can put the marks over here, marks, uh, 30, right, like that. Okay. So, and if you want to see how the question is looks like, if you are getting confused what would be the next how it's look like, right? So you just click on this preview, see the preview, click on the preview, and see, click on the next. See, this is the I mean the question paper. See, what is IT, your answer. I'm typing the answer over here. Okay, see, I'm typing. See, long answer. So I have selected the paragraph, so that's why. See, okay, fine. And see, I can copy it and paste long answer for the long answer, right? And as well as this one the same. Okay, this one is also same. We can select and paste over here. Okay, check. And this is the what are the input devices. I select the keyboard. If I press submit, see, and uh, if I press submit, so it will submit. Fine. So this is the demo, how the form is looking like. Okay, so just I'm going to close it, leave, right? And I think I have to add one more section. uh okay, so here okay, fine. So how to add a section just between of this section. So what you need to do, you have to click over here. See the button, the bar is coming aside of this section. If you want to add one more section just underneath of this Durgapur public school section, so you have to click over here, and the bar is just come aside of this or come beside of this uh, section, right? So here you have to add one more section, and title section is coming over here. Put option name. uh, okay, just delete the section. Okay, just come over here and put a add question, right? And right, name, sorry, or you can type student name. Fine. And put a colon, short answer, because this will be the single one. Short answer, done. You can put a required, because without acha. Okay, so what is required? You required means if you on the required, so it means no one can skip the field. Okay, student have to put the name. No one can skip the name section, right? Everyone have to put the name over here. Now you want to mm, check how the form is looking like. Click on again, and see, Durgapur public school, this one. See, student name is required, right? So you have to, i cannot I cannot make it blank. Okay, see, I'm clicking on the next button, but see, this is a record question, right? This is a record question. It's showing error. You have to put the name. So suppose I'm going to put the name, that is Koushik Dutta, and click on next. See, it is coming. Okay, now we can submit our answers. Okay, so suppose I'm going to put answers. Open for society. It it is a technology with information, where the information is stored. Okay, full stop. And what is public awareness? It is it is a kind of emotion that is help to handle that is help to uh, examine examine in examine examine public emotion. Okay, public emotion, right? Oh, fine. And this is keyboard, then I press the submit, right? See, your response has been recorded. So this response should come into over here. See, when one response is recorded, it is automatically show yes response 1, right? So click on the response 1 and see, I will get the response. Student name, Koushik Dutta, one response. See answers, look into the answers. Okay, input device, okay, one is keyboard. Fine, see, 100%. I just hover into this red round circle ball and it will show keyboard. Fine. So this is just answers, the answers of the question. Now how can I get to see these all easily? So simply what I need to do, I just click on this three dot button. Okay, and download responses.csv. Okay, click on that and see Durgapur Public School zip file been downloaded, right? So just open it and extract. Okay, extract. Fine. So here we can get to see, oh sorry, where we can get to see the folder is extracted, and open it and see the thing. When I have submitted, the time is there. Okay, time is here, and name is here. Who is the student? See, question. See, what is IT? Answer. I will get the answer away, right? What is public awareness? See, I can get the answer from here. What are the input device? Keyboard. See, so these first row is questions, for the questions. See, for the headers, right? In the header I can get what is IT, what is public awareness, what are the input device, and see, in a respective question, the respective answer just underneath of the question. It is a technology with information, right? And see, public awareness, it is a kind of emotions, what are input device, keyboard. So we can easily check the answers from the students, right? Okay, if anyone can submit, if any other students can submit, so next data will come just underneath of this, or come into the second row, like that way. Time, name, answers. Okay, time, name, answers, like that way. Okay, so this is a excel sheet we can download from there, you know and we can easily check the answers and send back to the student, or send back to our school, the marks, the answers. Okay, and how to download, I am repeating again. See, click on there. Okay, and download the response. Fine. Okay, so this is the way to make a question paper, right? And to get the answer sheet. Okay, this is the way. And one thing is very important, you have to log in your Gmail account. See, I have logged in also, so that's why it is happening. Fine. So these things is a Google form, right? This is the way to make the form, this is the way to get the answer sheet, right? So if you have any query, any question, please ask me. If I know, I will answer you back. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.